put your legs on my on my legs. I don't even know what I'm saying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nakatia for this one here. And hey guys, today episode I'm going to show you my skin prep. And for beginners, I'm just using the Garnier Skin Pure Active Charcoal 3-in-1. Yeah, that's what it says. And that's what I'm using on my skin right now because I had already applied on my skin and I was doing something. So I just had to start with it. But please stop giving me headache. I'm doing something. Okay guys, so next I'm going to show you the kind of products I use to prep my skin before using makeup. And also today we are going to do a review, or I'm going to show you what's on my makeup kit for beginners. Yeah, since I'm still beginning, I'm still knowing what to use. So I'm just going to show you my makeup kit for beginners and do some little makeup here and there. I want to try a new look. I hope, yeah. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button below and join this gang. Okay? Yeah, so let's get into it without further ado. For beginners, this is how my skin looks like and this is how my hair looks like. So we've just washed off the product that I was using, and now I want to go in with my scrubber, and then after scrubbing my face I will apply my moisturizer. I don't have the detoxifiers. I don't know this charcoal is it's a what? It's just a mask, okay? So I'm yet to buy my detoxifies. Is it my detoxifies? I guess that's the correct word to use, okay? So next, I'm just going in with my acne control because as you can see, I have some acne on my face. But this scrub, you're supposed to use it and stay with it for almost like 15 minutes. But just for me, because I want to do makeup right now, I'm not going to wait for the next 15 minutes. I don't have time on my side because by the time my boss is coming back, I won't be able to finish what I'm doing. Okay, guys, so let's just go in with the acne control, and then after this I'm using this type of moisturizer. Yeah, so it's from Cosma Zinc Oxide Cream and it's a moisturizer. Okay, so this is the kind of moisturizer I use for my face. What else do I use for my face? It's just those, and I'm done. For sunscreen, yeah, I can apply my what is it? Oh my goodness. Okay, SPF. And my SPF, I don't use it now because why am I using an SPF right now? It's so cold. It's winter. I'm not going anywhere. There's no rays of sun from any place, so I'm not going to use that. I don't have everything right now, but I'll get them later because as you can see, my face has started to misbehave again. Yeah, so let's get into it. I'm talking too much. Yeah. We are going to die with this bonnet because I don't have money. I don't have money. I don't have money. No money to buy another one. So if you see me all the videos with this bonnet, mind your own business, please. Thank you. Yes. So we're done with our skin prep. And now it's time to apply our moisturizer. And then go in with our makeup. My skin is giving, okay? Hata kama tuko na 2 spots, it's giving. It's giving, okay? It's giving. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love the view. Well guys, so I've finished with my scrubbing my face, and now I'm going to apply my moisturizer, and I'm using the shea butter. Yeah, the shea butter from Now Solutions. I don't know if you know about this, but I got them from where I am in Saudi. Yeah. So shea butter solutions from shea butter, seals in moisture, and it's from Now Solutions. Okay. So that's what I'm using. So let me just apply it, and then we're going to showing you the kit makeup for beginners. What's on my makeup kit, and it's so like, it's not like a cream, you know. It's just so ni kama kimafuta kingine hivi kigumu. It is so solid. Let me just say, very solid. It doesn't melt. ina melt kwa uso yako, so it is very solid on my face. Ukipaka kanaka kama nini mafuta ya kupika ile ya ilikuwa inaitwa jetili. Inakaa kama mafuta ya tili, so that's what I use. Unajua mafuta ya tili ukiweka ile nyilikuwa solid, ukiweka kwa moto ndo ina melt. So this is what I'm using. Hivyo ndo inakaa mpaka uipake kwa uso ndo ita melt. So later on, I will go in with my primer when I want, my primer when I want to apply my makeup. But for now, let me just show you what's in my makeup kit, and then we get to. Well, guys, so this is basically my makeup table, and this is where I do my makeup, and this is my makeup bag. It's very small. I got it from Noon. So it has, when you close it, it looks like that. So you open the first part. I have my lipstick. These lipsticks, I got them from Noon. Yeah, so they're super stay matte liquid ink liquid matte. Yeah, it's a matte ink super stay. Okay, so this is how they look like, and they came in a package of 12 pieces in one package. Okay, and this one I stole it from my boss. This one I stole it from my boss. This one I stole it from my boss. This one I stole it. Basically, I'm a thief. So this one too, I stole it from my boss. And this one I also stole it from my boss. So let me just put all my lipsticks here so that we know how many we have. So basically, this is all my lipsticks. Basically, yeah. This is what's the name? I've forgotten the name. So for beginners, I don't have eye pencils. That's so funny. This is the type of eye pencils I use. So bad, okay? This is so wrong. Guys, this is what I use. Yeah. So this is their sharpener. Yeah, so I put them on this type of a cassette. So we are done with the part 1 of the lipsticks. Yeah, I started with my lipstick, okay? So next, we're going to open the bag. So we have this part. You can put anything that you want, maybe document, but I don't think documents. Maybe let's say tissues or wipers that you might use on your, the wipers that you're supposed to use on your what? On your client, okay? So the next part, we have this here. We have this part here, which is you can open like that and put here your brushes, okay? So I don't have brushes right now because I've already sent them back home. Yeah, so this is where I put my brushes, and maybe here you can put your documents, maybe your client's contacts. Okay, so next you're going to the part where I put my makeups. Yeah. So I want to make this video as short as possible, okay? So this is where I put my makeups, and here is my eyeshadows. This part here is my eyeshadow and my powders and concealers. Okay, so this is my powder from Shane Glam. Yeah, I use that powder, and I also use this is another powder from Shane Glam. This is a powder that I stole from my boss. Yeah, this one I stole it from my boss, recyclable matte. Okay, this is another powder. Studio Fix from MAC. This one I bought it from myself. And then for the foundations, I have the Skin Finite from Shane Glam. We have the Maybelline Fit Me number 190 for the bright ones, for the bright people. And we also have the Maybelline Superstay Fit Me Activewear 30 hours per day. Yeah, so this is the only foundations I have. Remember, I told you this video is for the beginner makeup, okay? So you don't expect me to have all the foundations that I need for now, because I still don't do any clients. So I also have this. This is my tone, my skin tone, the one I use. And we also have the Bonjour's Healthy Mix. This is for bright people, okay? So that's all the foundations that I have. That's where I put my foundations. Next, we have the skin highlighter, the makeup highlighter. And for the highlighters, I have this. I have this from Shane Glam, and I also have the iconic illuminator. This one I stole it from my boss. So we also have this. No, this one is yeah, this is also blush. We have the blush and highlighter. So this is blush and highlighter. Those there. This one are eyeshadows. I'll just show you later. So I just want to finish with the powders and the blush and the in the what is the name? Why is the name not coming? Let me. Next, what I'm going to show you is my concealers, and this is all I have for the concealers. Yeah, I don't have those such many concealers, but I only use the Pro, and the eraser is even finished, as you can see. So this one I got it from Shane, and these others are the normal ones. Okay, so these are all my concealers, and I'm just going to put them there. Next we have the eyeliners. I have the blue, white, and the black one. Okay, so this is all I have: blue, white, and black eyeliner. These ones are going to go there. Next we have, I've shown you my eye pencils. Okay, so those are my eye pencils. Next we also have, this is my lipstick, but these ones, they so easily come out because I bought them from Shane. So you can see Shane Glam. Yeah, so I wouldn't advise you use this on anybody or as a client, maybe just yourself. So this one I can't use them on any clients. Next we're going to show you the eyeshadow, and even though some of my eyeshadows have already gone home, okay, so they're not that much. So this is eyeshadow palette number one. This one my boss gave it to me. Yeah, so this eyeshadow palette number one, and then we have another one that I got from Shane Glam, and it's a nude eyeshadow. So this is how it looks like. Next is this is a blush, oh no, highlighter. This is a highlighter bronzer, and I got it from Noon, and this is how it looks like. It is so nice, so nice. Can you see that? Yeah, it is so shiny. It's a good one. So this is a blush. I got it from Shane. This is a contour kit, and this is the only contour I have, I guess. But I have another one, and I don't know where it has gone to, that I got from Shane. But this is my best contour. At least it helps me. And this is another contour that I have that I got from Shane. So this is another contour palette. I've already used it. Next we have the eyeshadow. This one my boss gave it to me from Real Beauty. Another eyeshadow is this one, this eye palette here that I got from Known, and it's from the Huda palette. I don't know if it's the original one, but it just works well with me. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette that I have for now, that I can say it has been magnificent, or I don't know what I can say. So that's the eyeshadows. That's all eyeshadows I have. Next I have my solution for my eye contacts. These eye contacts, I got them from Amazon. Yeah, I'm not going to open them because I don't want to contaminate them. Next I have my my spray. Oh my god, it's almost over. I need another spray. But the new one that I had, I've already sent it home. So this is the matte primer that I use on my daily makeup routine. Yeah, I used to use this, but I realized it's not going well with my foundation, so I stopped. Okay, so I'm using the Maybelline one, and I guess that's all I have. No, wait, we have the eyelash here. So these ones are mine. These ones are mine. Yeah, the client's eyelashes, I've already sent them home. So this one eyelashes, these ones are mine. Okay, so this is all I have. These eyelashes, I got them from Shane. Yeah, next we have the brushes, and I guess they're dirty, but these brushes, I got them from Shane. Okay guys, so all these brushes are from Shane. Shane got me covers. No, others are from Known. No, all of them are from Shane. Yeah. So what am I leaving out? I guess that's all for my beginners makeup tutorial that I need for all the makeup that I do. So this is all I have. Slowly but sure, we will buy other stuff in the future, in the nearby future. When we have money, we will buy more stuff. But for beginners, this is what I'm starting with. Oh, I had forgotten my brow soap for my brows. Yeah, I also use a soap for my brows. Okay, so at least I have something to come up with that good makeup look. The only thing I need to invest in right now is my concealer and my eye pencils, and eyebrow kit. My eyebrow kit, I need like is it a gel? An eyebrow gel, yeah. And that, and what else? Who's calling me? Robert. Okay.